Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best humidifiers of 2026. Your go-to guide for choosing the ultimate cool or warm mist humidifier tailored for bedrooms and living spaces. Whether you're battling dry air and scratchy throats, supporting a healthy sleep environment, or simply seeking year-round comfort, we've selected the top humidifiers that deliver quiet operation, flexible mist options, and smart features. We'll highlight key features like tank capacity, mist type, runtime, filtration or sensor systems, and noise levels, so you can find the ideal humidifier for your rooms and routines. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your perfect indoor humidity solution. Starting with the Diario humidifiers with humidity sensor. This model is perfect for anyone seeking smart, efficient mist control in small to mid-sized rooms. Diario is known for modern air comfort devices featuring app control, smart sensors, and whisper quiet operation. This humidifier boasts an automatic humidity sensor that maintains target levels within plus or minus 5%, a 4-liter top-fill tank designed for 36 hours of operation, and ultra-quiet settings down to 28 dB. The ultrasonic mist technology releases fine 5 micrometers droplets to disperse moisture quickly without wetting surfaces. Users appreciate the ultra-quiet sleep mode and consistent comfort, though some mention features like smart app integration may complicate setup. Overall, it's ideal for bedrooms and nurseries where precision and peace matter. Moving on, the Homedics portable humidifier delivers strong value and compact versatility, fitting neatly into smaller rooms, home offices, or bedside tables. Homedics has built a legacy of affordable, reliable wellness appliances that serve everyday needs. This portable unit offers both cool and warm mist settings, a small footprint, and features like automatic shutoff and easy-to-refill water tanks. Users love its simplicity and adaptability for tight spaces, though it may require more frequent refills compared to larger models given its size. For those looking for budget-friendly performance in smaller areas, the Homedics unit is a smart pick. For larger rooms or homes that need extended coverage, the MegaWise Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier stands out as a solid mid-tier option. MegaWise builds on known wellness tech with large tank capacity models that deliver hours of misting. This cooler mist humidifier features a high-capacity water tank, often 1.5 gal/5, 6L, a dual-nozzle design for broader coverage, and variable mist control suitable for bedrooms, living spaces, or open layouts. Users highlight its long runtime and ease of use, though some find the warm mist option lacking if cold air humidification is also needed. Overall, it's a strong pick for families or bigger home spaces where continuous comfort is important. Next, the Rosec humidifiers bring advanced features and mid to high capacity performance geared toward health-conscious homes and tech-friendly users. Rosec combines humidification with essentials like aromatherapy trays, touchscreen controls, and rapid runtime modes, making it ideal for slightly higher demands. Offering warm or cool mist options, a timer function, and a silent motor under 30 dB. This unit finds its place in master bedrooms or shared living rooms. Users appreciate the combination of flexibility and features, although installation might require some extra space for setup and maintenance. If you seek tech-rich comfort without premium pricing, the Rosec humidifier fits well. Finally, the Levoit humidifiers for bedroom take the top spot for their consistent performance, quiet operation, and excellent versatility for both small and medium bedrooms. Levoit is a trusted brand in home air solutions and humidifiers that combine smart design with ease of use. This model features top-fill convenience, up to 6L tank capacity for up to 60 hours of runtime, whisper quiet operation under 30 dB, and optional smart control via the VE Sync app. Whether using cool mist for summer dryness or warm mist in the winter, the Levoit unit offers dependable comfort and flexibility. Users consistently praise its quiet nightly performance and ease of cleaning, though it must be placed on a flat surface with sufficient clearance around the mist outlet. For those who prioritize seamless integration and long-term comfort, Levoit leads the pack. And that wraps up our top 5 best humidifiers of 2026. From the smart sense precision of Diario to the compact convenience of Homedics, the extended coverage of MegaWise, the advanced features of Rosec, and the premium quiet operation of Levoit, there's a humidifier for every bedroom or living space. Which one will you choose to bring comfort and healthy air into your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Be sure to check the description for current deals and grab the perfect humidifier for your space today. Thanks for watching.